Good morning, everybody. The CAD4, the i500 Cannondale, got a new set of wheels. So what did she get? She got some Mavic, I believe it's pronounced Asium? I'm not positive, but they're a new set of wheels. It's got some giant SRs, 700 by 25. And on this old Cannondale, 700 by 25 barely fit into the frame. So that's kind of funny because the bike was designed for 23s, and that tells you how old she is. So, but whew, what a weight savings from those old rims it had on it. You know, it literally took 1.5 pounds off the bike. The bike now comes in at 18.75 pounds. So 18 pounds for possibly a 20-year-old bike. I really don't have the year yet. But wow, that's pretty incredible. So let's see what's on it now. Okay, out front bracket for my Wahoo computer. Mavic front and rear rims. Giant SR4 tires. We have a single 53 tooth chainring up front with wolf tooth chainring bolts. And those are alloy but super light. 105 rear derailleur. We're running a 1228 on the back. Lightweight bottle cages, composite, also, if you can see, with wolf tooth hardware. Carbon fiber seat post, power saddle. Front end, Cane Creek headset. The stem, I believe, is a Bontrager stem. One Tiagra shifter, and it's a 9-speed on the rear end. So, man, guys, the bike's light, the bike's fast. Where did the wheels come from? They came from my CAD10. And the CAD10, later this afternoon or this evening, will have a set of carbon wheels, 50 millimeter. So I didn't go too deep, but I went deep enough to make a difference. And I think those are just going to look sweet. All black carbon weave. They're just going to look really, really nice. So this is the CAD4, the R500, all set up. There's literally nothing left to do. Well, maybe change out the shifter and those old brake calipers. But the brake calipers are really nice. Really good modulation for an old brake caliper. We'll see, guys. Not positive I really want to change those out yet, but if I do, I'm probably going to put those SRAM Apex on it that I have on 2 other bikes, because that modulation is just perfect. But anyways, guys, let's do a wheel sound check real quick. And they sound really, really good. Those are some beautiful, Mavic's always made beautiful sealed bearing hubs, and I just love the way they sound. So it looks good, it sounds good. This bike's sweet. Talk to you all soon.